What's up, guys? It's your boy Tony back with another video. It's gonna be another vlog, the huge. You know, I'm here with the boys. Got all the boys. Hold on. Say what's up.
What do, man?
We got it dead.
We're out here doing some gunsmithing. Hit us up. Not just playing, but over here about to dip. But yeah, you guys seen the last video? I bought the shotguns. We bought the shotguns and stuff. We're gonna go test them out today. We're gonna record some shooting for you guys. And that's pretty much it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy. I guess we're taking this, chat. Hey, the SRT's going off-roading, boys. How you feel? Taking it off-roading.
You feel me? Hey, I did a 4x4 swap on this bitch. So
4x4 swap on the SRT.
Si quieres divertirte nomás vente o caile. Zumba la CRT. Se la chaviza por los radios les avisa. La mecha cuadrada parece que llevan prisa. Llevan mucha prisa. Que la vieron por la calle caminando sola. ¿Será que su vato aquí no la controla? Véngase pa' acá, yo tengo casa sola. Si quieres su amiga el 2x2 acciona. Acciona.
The chat, we got the Panther,
the Hell Tiger.
the Hell Tiger versus the hellcat. Who y'all got? Place your bets, chat. Place your bets.
She's a little loud, boys. Hey,
A little bit?
I got a fucking ticket.
Chat. What is he doing?
I don't know, bro. Y'all see the trucks out here, but I don't think this shit belongs out here.
He took the cat off roading, son.
Imagine.
La bestia.
Shit don't go up the hill.
Nah, it's gonna go. It has to go. Go up the hill. For sure.
¿Cómo no?
Ay, ¿cómo no?
Esta madre trae huevos, loco. Trae huevos de madre.
Trae huevos, loco.
Dale, güey. No me andes remedando.
Nah, but we made it. Pretty much. We're still waiting for some of the boys to pull up.
Nobody's motherfuckers.
En la rap.
Buddy's took to Gapplebee's, you feel me? Nah, but they're over there. They said they're gonna pull up in like 15. The Raptor R's pulling up. Nah, but they said they're gonna pull up in like 15. So we'll see if that's true or not. But I know that moves. Boys, we made it. Just gonna use this motherfucker for clickbait. Nah, just kidding. Boys gonna park it up. I'm gonna spot him real quick, and then I'll come back to y'all. Chat.
Gotta love America, boys.
Gotta love America.
Made it safe, man.
Chat. Ya llegó la Raptor. Nah, just playing. Alright, boys, my bad. Ya llegaron? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Update them. Where the fuck were you at?
Had to go get gas and then do some tactical, get some 9mm. Hey, they didn't have 12 gauge with.
Malio.
Yeah, I know.
I got 50. I got 50. I'll let everyone shoot a little bit.
Oh, I did bring
Fucking peso pluma.
We need a gun oil.
My God. Introduce yourself to the channel.
You know, I'm Lalo. I'm the gunsmith. That's all we gotta do.
Don't even say that.
I am the gunsmith.
Chat. He's
the gunsmith. I am.
He's his own. He's his own. He's his own gunsmith. And then
That's how delusional I am.
you guys already said Ulises in the video. Leo, you want to say what's up to the channel? It's your first time. Introduce yourself.
Here. I'm Leo. We're gonna get popping.
Yes, sir.
Not much to say. Just let it
Not
know.
much, not much. And then Juan, I know I showed them earlier in the vlog, but let's introduce yourself. First time on the channel.
Juanito el Papito, nice to meet ya.
Alright, boys, we're finna get to setting up. And then I'll catch y'all when we're shooting, getting some clips of the shotgun. This is gonna be my first time shooting a shotgun. I ain't gonna lie. So I don't know what to expect, to be honest. It's gonna be some of our first times shooting a shotgun, but we'll catch y'all right now. Alright, we're measuring. Damn, it's a dirt fest out here, boys. Ain't gonna lie, but it's a trash fucking site out here. But we're gonna we set up these targets. Gonna put one right here. Put that white one. Then we put that one as well. And we're still gonna go further back. We're going further and further.
My finger is tired. Okay,
It'll be alright.
now we gotta do this 2 more times. I think.
Okay. We'll catch y'all, I guess. Fuck, I keep saying catch y'all, but we'll see you guys right now. Look at this motherfucker. He's always talking shit. Especially that motherfucker right there. That motherfucker right there. That motherfucker always talking shit. Hey, chat. Three likes and we jump him for the next video. Nah, I'm just playing.
The last one hits.
I forget that I have a fucking wide open trigger.
Try it. Go.
That ain't gonna work, bro. See? It fucking didn't rack.
He needs new gas rings, huh, Brandon?
Yeah.
Right, he does.
Oh, son, he only hit like 3.
I did only hit like 3.
Alright, chat. We're loading up the AR. I will finish up loading the.
I just got more blowback than the other.
Alright, chat. I'm finna try on mine now. First time. Fuck! Oh, my bad. It's on safety. You know, safety first.
It's in.
Wait.
Just shoot it once. Just shoot it once.
I'm shooting one.
Just,
Oh, what?
Yeah, just to see. Alright.
Bro, I like this.
Are you ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1. You shoot it twice if you need to. 3,
Alright, go.
2, 1. I think you have one more. 3, 2, 1.
I fucking suck, chat.
He sucks, bro.
Chat. Don't toss me the shotty, but hey, I love this. This shit feels nice.
You want to go?
I need to try this for real. Alright, my boy finna shoot the KS7. Y'all seen in the previous video.
I'm gonna lie, I'm low-key nervous.
Y'all seen in the previous video we went to go pick the shotguns up. But this is the KSG.
Go, buddy.
The KSG, the KS7. Y'all see it. Hey, rock it. There.
Oh, there you go. Oh, shit.
Hold that, hey, hold that bitch with some.
Hold that bitch.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Alright, my boys, we back. Technical difficulties, we had to do a couple things. Alright, my boy's gonna throw this. We gonna see if you can do it.
Ready? Look up. Look up.
Look up.
Look up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, he didn't hit it. No, it broke.
Fuck it, just shoot.
Wait, do you have another one? Nah, it's done. Put the other shells in there. Put the other shells. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Shoot it. Shoot it. All right. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. What the fuck did you just hit something? 3, 2, 1. That one's blue. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you
Okay.
Wait up. I got more.
We got more.
Hey, who said that? 3, 2, 1.
Did he hit?
2, 1. Ah, that was fun. Oh, bro, you trying to. Oh my god, bro.
Hey, he's snappy with it.
You got one more?
Better at
Check it. No.
Okay.
Hey, that one hits harder than this.
What you loading up, my boy? What you got there for the? What you got there for the chat?
My M200 Rock Island 38 special revolver here. Chat.
My fault. Mr. Interrupt.
Hey, give me that.
Jesus. Valió.
Valió madre.
All right, make sure you, hey, safety, my boy. Tell Chat how important safety is.
Important. Chat.
Important? It's important. All right, bro. All right, never mind. He doesn't even know what it is. All right, we're gonna have some fun a little bit more with the straps. So we'll record a little more clips. Yeah.
I didn't fucking put it in. There, here. Alright, hopefully you don't jam on you. You probably will.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. I think I got one more.
One more.
Oh, fire.
What are you doing, my guy? Tell Chat what you're about to do, bro.
I don't even know the name of this gun, but my
It's
homie
ARP.
Uli,
It's ARP.
it's ARP, my homie Uli.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, you better aim, my boy. Got you. I got you. It's a little POV.
No, it jammed it.
That's
No,
it.
it's only 4.
That's it.
I'm just kidding. You go first. It don't matter. You got a crazier bike.
Oh, this shit's hot.
Oh, it has one in.
Yeah, it does.
One more.
Still works. Son of a bitch.
Ta-da-dun, dun, dun, dun. Hey, ta-da-dun.
No fucking speaker.
No speaker. We gotta sing.
Hey, pónganse a cantar.
Hay pitotes pa' los ranchos. Eres mucha gente. We got Fidel right here. We got fucking Peso Pluma right here.
En la sierra de Durango.
How do I
La
call
sierra de Durango acá.
back?
Machín.
Yep.
That shit loud as fuck. Is that what you're using?
Nah. Oh. They get this from my fast man.
Oh.
Okay. All right.
How good is the folding stop? Shake it.
It's getting cold out here.
You could hit the,
Nice.
you know when they do that shit, you fucking quick release it.
What's Uli doing?
Sepa la verga.
Chupa la verga?
I said sepa, bro.
Oh shit, my bad.
I mean, if you want. All right, buddy. ¿Quién estás texteando, verga? ¿Quién te está texteando? Las ma.
Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go.
Fuck. Never mind.
That's Pokemon.
Yeah, we just went chilling, if anything. The shotguns was cool though. Everybody fucked with it. That shit probably gonna bruise.
Look at this chat. Bro, just from shooting it. That's crazy. Bro, that shit hurt. I don't want to touch that bitch no more.
Hey,
Hey, it's all you,
let
Tim.
me finish these.
Go for it, yeah.
You can have these.
Alright, bro trading snacks like it's prison. Good looking though. Lalo got a unicorn. Lalo got a unicorn mag.
Oh yeah, I seen that shit. That shit's sick.
Le trona la reversa.
How many does it hold? Lalo, you shit don't want to shoot.
I gotta help him out. 762.
You got 25
762. So you know.
Lalo!
You good? Go.
Go, bro. No seas mamón.
Soy mamón.
Bro, this shit don't want to work.
So guys, it's the end of the video. We're gonna do a little mag dump for you guys with everyone. It's already dark, but I'm gonna try to set up the camera as best as I can. But man, I don't even know what I recorded today, to be honest. But hopefully y'all like it, and subscribe. If y'all want to see me fix the binary trigger for the 19X, let me know. I'll get that done. But yeah, let me set this camera up. We're all gonna do a mag dump for you.
Go. W day today, boys.
Hell yeah. Juan? Can barely see. Yeah. Here.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, fellas.
Out into the night sky.
I should have turned the light on.
I'm a man.
نستدبر بسكرنجر لدون ما بنوابه كترول الدكسن كده لسه موابه رولك chocolate en que la fábrica se le mainó del Charlie Lana que café polvo ya da bien otra vez ya te cenis las privadas del Tasselman.
Who's talking crazy?
Hey, bro.